Do you feel stressed every time you clean the ocean? Feels less dusty or visible, but isn't it disappointing to find that there is still child dust left after cleaning? You don't want to take out the vacuum cleaner every time and waste precious time cleaning it. In particular, dust and ticks on the floor or bed are problems that can no longer be neglected. There is a product to solve that problem. With this smart cordless vacuum cleaner VC Park, you can perfectly suck up dust with a powerful suction force of up to 27,000 pascals. In particular, it has an infrared dust sensor that can focus on even small, invisible dust. Our vacuum cleaner has a light design of 1.1 kg, easy to move, and can be transformed into a portable one, making it easy to clean car seats and sofas that are difficult to clean often. The LED display allows you to easily check the remaining battery level and easily switch between cleaning modes, adding convenience to your life. Many users have already praised the effectiveness of this wireless vacuum cleaner, and the repurchase rate is also high. There are many reviews saying that it is difficult to live without this product. I can confidently say that the reviews of real users are really positive and that the product can be used. Have you ever had problems with dust and mites around you? How about reducing your worries with this wireless vacuum cleaner? Cleaning is really simple and easy to clean anytime and anywhere can make a big difference.
Generate by AI.